Phonics. Today we are going to discuss the definition and importance of teaching phonics. We will make connections with teaching phonics using our ORT course. We will examine methods of teaching phonics in an online classroom. Then we will observe a demo video from one of our teachers. And finally, we will review in the summary. Definition and importance. Phonics is the knowledge of letter and sound correspondence. It includes letter sound recognition, blending letter sounds, and identifying syllables. Understanding phonics is a foundational skill needed as students develop their reading skills and ultimately develop their reading comprehension. Connection. The ORT course presents phonics on slides entitled Let's Listen and Speak, Let's Blend and Segment, and Let's Chant. The Let's Listen and Speak or Let's Blend and Segment slides allow the teacher to model and then students produce the phonemes. Students blend phonemes while reading and they identify syllables. The Let's Chant slide allows the students to decode the phonics words used in sentences. The teacher can model the phonics words by reading fluently and with rhythm. Students can then repeat, taking turns by reading one sentence at a time. Method. There are a variety of approaches when teaching phonics. The individual sounds, phonemes, can be identified before blending them to form words, or the complete word can be analyzed, breaking it down to its letters and their respective sounds. Using a multi-sensory approach can ensure that we reach all learning styles in our classroom. Some successful methods include the following. One method is oral modeling. We can model the phoneme and how to blend phonemes together to form a recognizable word. Another method is visual aids. Visual aids, such as a simple gesture, can give students visual cues when deciphering syllables. Some teachers will clap their hands or hold up their fingers when identifying syllables. Demo video. Now let's observe one of our teachers demonstrate how to teach phonics in the classroom.
I can see a dog. Where do you think this dog will go?
To next.
Let's see. Let's click a pay. Oh, well done. And let's click. Emily, Eric, do you know what this word says? Emily, what do you think?
Markers.
Market. Good. Well done. Market. And it has two parts to it. Market. Market. It has two parts, two syllables. Like Eric. Eric has two syllables. Emily, you have three parts to your name. Emily. Emily. Eric. Jeanette. Johnny. Banana. So words sometimes have more than one part. Yeah, Johnny Bear.
And I have a horse.
And do you? Wow, let's see what the next word is. Eric.
Horse.
Okay, let's listen for the next word. Eric, it's going to be your turn to look at this word. Do you know this word, Eric?
Carpet.
Good. Carpet. Carpet. This is a carpet. Look on the floor. This is the carpet. My carpet needs a bit of a clean and it has a big sunny patch on it where the sun is shining. I must clean my carpet after class. So carpet. How many parts to the word carpet? Carpet. Two. It has two syllables. Carpet. Emily, it's your turn to look for the next word. Let's get the dog to Eric's carpet. Jump, 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 jump. Run, 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 run. And Emily, it's your turn. What about this word?
Jacket.
Good. How many parts are in this word? How many syllables? Jacket. Jacket.
Two.
Jacket. Two. Good. There are two syllables.
And look, dog will eat.
The dog got some sausages. How nice. Lucky dog. Well done, Emily. Well done, Eric. You got the dog all the way along the path, past the market, past the carpet, past the jacket to eat the sausages. How many syllables?
Two are good.
Well done. Sausage. That has 2 as well, doesn't it? Let's go on to the next.
I'm a
Okay.
dog.
Here is a nice clean dog in a bath. Emily, tell your dog and your bear to listen very carefully, and let's see what we get this time. What's this word?
Bucket.
Good, well done. Basket. How many syllables does basket have? Basket. 2. Well done. It has 2. Good job. What's the next word? Oh, look, another word. How many syllables does this word have? Flower. 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 It has 2 syllables again, doesn't it? It has 2. Flower.
Rabbit.
Oh, Emily, a word for you. Rabbit. Rabbit. Good. How many syllables in rabbit? 2. Wow, you are good at this. Good work. Good work. So, basket, flower, rabbit.
Video recap. First, our teacher gave correction when necessary as students produced the phonemes and decoded the words. Second, our teacher identified the syllables by orally modeling the words and using a simple finger counting gesture to decipher the syllables. Third, our teacher provided additional examples of words with 2 or 3 syllables to reinforce the meaning of syllables. And fourth, at the conclusion of the phonics practice, our teacher commended the students for their efforts and participation. In summary, effectively teaching phonics through a variety of approaches will help our students gain decoding skills, which then leads to reading fluency and reading comprehension.